Familiarizing yourself with the game.
The FTC competition consists of the game component and the awards component. Let's first take a look at the game component. In the game component, teams compete by using their robots to complete tasks. The specific task of each competition can be found in the year's game video. Just search up FTC Your Year game video to find it. You compete in matches 3 minutes long that consists of 2 phases, autonomous and tele-op. Click below to learn more about each phase, or click next to automatically advance. In the autonomous phase, you give your robot preloaded instructions to complete certain tasks. During the autonomous phase, your drivers are not allowed to touch the controller. All robot movement must be from the code. You can use different sensors to make your navigation more reliable. This phase lasts for 30 seconds. In the tele-op phase, your drivers use gamepads to drive the robot around and complete tasks. This phase lasts for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. During the last 30 seconds, you will enter the endgame phase. In this phase, you can score extra points by completing extra goals. The awards component of the competition revolves around your notebook and outreach. In certain larger leagues, you can advance through earning awards. We will go through a quick overview of what the awards are, ideas on how to execute them, and more in-depth explanations will be in the outreach section of the tutorial. Awards are only given out at ILT and higher competitions. Outreach awards focus on your connections to the community. The Connect Award focuses on the team's connections with industry professionals, more specifically, how you were able to improve yourselves as a team using the advice and techniques of those industry professionals. The Motivate Award focuses on how a team spreads robotics and STEM throughout the community. To differentiate between Connect and Motivate, think about a ladder. We are connecting to those above, the industry professionals, and motivating those down below, people not involved in STEM. The Inspire Award focuses on how well a team scored overall in all the other awards.
Robot Awards. These awards are based on the robot's functions and design. Design Award. The Design Award focuses on how teams demonstrate industrial design principles, striking a balance between form, function, and aesthetics. Think Award. The Think Award focuses on a team's understanding, documentation, and execution of the design process. Inside the engineering notebook, teams must put pictures or drawings and details documenting all stages of robot design. CAD diagrams of prototypes are also useful here. Innovate Award. The Innovate Award focuses on the creativity of your robot's design. However, your design must still be somewhat stable, robust, and reliable. It may not be optimal, but it must work. Control Award. The Control Award focuses on a team's programs and their use of sensors inside of those programs. The goal is to use multiple sensors at once to create a fast, reliable autonomous. The Design Award is focused on the entire design process of your robot, while the Innovate Award focuses on an innovative or just original and interesting part of your robot that allows it to play the game effectively.
These awards are optional and may not be given at all tournaments. They don't typically advance you to future competitions. In the Compass Award, teams create a video highlighting the mentor's contribution to a team and demonstrates what sets the mentor apart. It's basically a mentor appreciation video. The Promote Award is given to the team that is most successful in creating a compelling video message for the public designed to change our culture and celebrate STEM. Teams must submit a 1-minute long public service announcement video based on the public service announcement subject for the season. This subject changes year to year. The Judges Award is given to the team that leaves a positive impression on the judges. There are also the Winning Alliance Award and the Finalist Award for teams ranking in the competition. The notebook is the team's documentation of their year. Each role should have their own section to write inside the notebook. Each award should also have a section dedicated to them, and/or a table of contents highlighting certain pages inside the notebook that relate to each award. Finally, there should be an additional section for daily entries. Daily entries are for tracking an individual's or the team's progress at a day-to-day level. To write a personal daily entry, start with writing down your goals for the day. Then, at the end of the day, take 5 to 10 minutes to jot down some things like your progress, what you learned, etc. Below is an example of what a minimum daily entry should be like for each person. For team daily entries, such as for meetings, at least write down what decisions were made and ideas that were rejected or considered. If the meeting can be incorporated into an award, such as a design meeting for robot category awards, take extra time to flesh the entry out. You don't have to write down the entire entry the day of, although it is suggested. At the very least, write down bullet points of your thoughts. You can also ask outreach members to assist you.